Hey guys, welcome back to third topic of our 5-week bootcamp. Today we are diving into the basics of Java programming, variables and data types. These are super important for any programmer. So let's get started. What are variables? Variables in Java are like containers that store data. Think of them as labeled boxes where you keep your information. For example, if you want to store your age, you can create a variable named age and give it a value. This way, you can easily use and change the value throughout your code. Imagine a box labeled age with the number 25 inside it. We have understood what are variables. Now we will see why we need variables. Variables make your code more readable and manageable. Instead of hard coding values, you can use variables to store and change the data easily. This makes your code flexible and easier to maintain. Imagine changing one value in box instead of hunting down every instance in your code. Okay, let's move to next types of variables. There are different types of variables based on the data they hold. First one is int. It stores whole numbers. Example 5, 2, minus 3, something like this. Think of counting apples. Second one is double. It stores decimal numbers. For example, 3.14 minus 0.01, something like this. Perfect for precise measurements like height or weight. Third one is float. It stores decimal numbers but with less precision than double, like 3.14 float, 2.14 float, minus 0.01 float. Great for less precise measurement. Fourth one is character. It stores a single character like A, B, Z, useful for individual letters or symbols. Fifth one is string. It stores sequence of characters like let's, code, and achieve, like this. Great for names and messages. Sixth one is boolean. It stores true or false values, ideally for yes or no questions or conditions. Now we will understand data types and their sizes. Data types defines the kind of data a variable can hold and how much space they take up in memory. Here are some common data types in Java and their sizes. Int 4 bytes, float 4 bytes, double 8 bytes, character 2 bytes. String varies, depend on the length of the string. Boolean 1 bit, often represented as 1 byte for simplicity. And the smallest unit of memory is bit, and a byte is made up of 8 bits. That's a quick overview of variables and data types in Java. Remember, variables are essential for storing data, and understanding data types helps you to choose the right kind of variables for your needs. Stay tuned for practical session where we will see these concepts in action. Don't miss out, hit subscribe and join our coding journey. See you in the next video.